Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to make a delectable fruits pulao and with raita. Alright, it's time to dive into the recipe. I got here 2 cups of long grain basmati rice. Let's soak this for 30 minutes. Now, let's have a look into the ingredients. I got here 2 onions. We are not using much masalas here. So half tablespoon of garam masala and half tablespoon of jeera powder. Two cardamom, one cinnamon and 5 cloves. 200 ml of milk. I got here 1 medium sized pineapple. I'll just use a half of the portion for the pulao. 1 medium sized apple. 1 medium sized pomegranate. And some cashews. I got sliced onion here. Now we will make fried onion out of this. I cleaned the pineapple and cut into small pieces like this. I diced the apple and the pomegranate. Now I'm gonna caramelize the cashews. When I tried the first time, I really loved the taste of caramelized cashews. It's just a crispy bite in the rice. So let's do this. In a pan, add 2 spoons of sugar and toss this until get caramelized. Do not burn the sugar. Now I'm gonna add the cashews in this. Coat it well. Now let them cool. Now I'm gonna make a sugar syrup for pineapple. I will soak the pineapple into the sugar syrup for a day. The reason is the pineapple gets softened and the syrup will get nature pineapple flavor. For this, 4 spoon of sugar, I got here 1 cup of water in the pan. After get boil, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now we will add the pineapple into this and mix it well. Let them bring a boil and off the flame. Soak it for 24 hours. In the restaurant, they add fruits essence into the pulao for the better taste. Trust me, this procedure will give your pulao just outstanding. Now, let's fry the onion. Heat up a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the onion into this. Mix it well. Let's fry until it gets golden color. I'm gonna boil some water for the rice. Heat up a cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and I'm gonna add cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. And let it crackle. Now we will add the rice. Now I'm gonna toast this rice. Now we will add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of boiled water. So the calculation is for 2 glass rice, 1 cup of milk and 1 boiled water. 1 cup of boiled water. And add a generous amount of salt. Let it cook the rice until get a vessel. Now the rice is ready. Alright, let's cook the pulao now. I got here a wok like this. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now the jeera powder and the garam masala powder goes in. Mix it well. I'm gonna add some soaked pineapple syrup into this. This will give a nice pineapple flavor for the rice. Mix it well. Now add the rice and mix it well. Now I'm gonna add the soaked pineapple into the rice and the apple. Mix it well and off the flame. Finally, we will add the pomegranate. Remember to add the pomegranate after off the flame. Now, let's save into a plate. Decorate with fried onion and some raisins. I crushed the caramelized cashews like this. And decorate with it. Now I will show you how to make fruit salad recipe. For that, 1 orange, some grapes, quarter piece of apple, some pomegranates, for the salad, I got here 250 ml of curd, I got here chopped cucumber, apple and the grapes. And I remove the skin of the orange, take the pulps. I got here some crushed chili flakes. Into that, I added 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 spoon of black salt. And I got here another half portion of the soaked pineapple. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of honey and add the curd into this. Now, beat the curd nicely. Now, I will add the black salt and the crushed chili flakes. Mix it well. Now, add the chopped fruits into this. And that's it. Our fluffy raita is ready. Alright. The fruits pulao and the raita is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next episode.